Cinnamon roll tail.
How to make a squishy. First, grab some clear tape. Grab scissors and stuffing. Put stuffing in the empty bag of chips. Tape the seal of the empty chip bag. Cut the tape. Put the tape on the cut part. Second piece of tape. And third piece of tape. And you are done. Here are all my squishies.
Bye.